This video explains how to determine offline mode allowances and how to select text to download in the RedShelf eReader. With offline mode enabled, you'll be able to access portions of your ebook through your web browser, even when you don't have an internet connection. RedShelf ebooks have varying offline allowances depending on individual publisher settings, ranging up to 100% offline. You can find your ebook's offline allowance by going to My Shelf and selecting View Book Details. If your ebook has an offline allowance, in the eReader, go to the main menu and select Offline. To choose offline text, under Start, select the section where you'd like to begin. Under End, select the section where you'd like the text to end. Under these options, you'll see the percentage of content that is available offline at one time, as well as the offline duration. In the Start and End options, percentages are listed for each section. These must fall within the offline percentage in order to go offline. Once you've made your selection, select Check out this selection to use offline. You'll see the selection being downloaded with a message saying you are now ready to read offline once the text is ready. Once downloaded, you'll receive a link to access your offline content. Bookmark this link in your web browser. We recommend Chrome to access this once you're offline. In offline mode, you're still able to create and edit highlights, notes, bookmarks, and citations. These will transfer to your ebook once you're back online. To view the days remaining for your offline session, go to the main menu and select Offline. If you're ready to remove offline content, select Clear Session. From there, you can select a new section of content to download offline. For additional videos, resources, and FAQs on the RedShelf eReader, visit redshelf.zendesk.com.